ProFit System, an innovative installation method. Avoid mistakes. Watch the entire video before you begin the installation. Package contents: 3 times easy, 4 watch, squeegee, 3 times dry cleaning cloths. Clean the display with a dry cloth. Make sure it is completely clean before installation. Installation is quick and easy. Just 4 simple steps. 1. Positioning. Initial adhesive layer. Remove the white protective backing from the initial adhesive layer by gently pulling it downward. Place the installation set onto the device surface. At this stage, you can still adjust its position freely. Press the set down gently. Now use the squeegee to firmly press the material onto the surface. 2. Installation. First side. Lift one side of the set using the dedicated pull tab. Bend the material up to 180 degrees so that the pre-cut layer can slide freely across the device surface. Use the squeegee to assist. 3. Installation. Second side. Repeat the same process on the other side of the set. Lift the material using the dedicated pull tab. If any air bubbles remain, remove them using the squeegee. Press the edges of the material firmly with your finger. 4. Finished. Protective layer. Use the dedicated pull tab to remove the protective top layer. If any air bubbles remain, remove them using the squeegee. Any remaining imperfections should disappear within 48 hours. Done!